جداگانه اعلام کنیم. امیدوارم همه اینها در نقطه پایان بهترین
and I just locked it in at the back and then just had to do like walking up with a fixed boot. So going up. So I had one boot that was still on its pivot.
So this one, yeah, okay. So then the other one was locked in.
One was locked in. So you're like, so it's like. Don't you imagine on the really steep bit that was harder. Yeah. You're like, anyway, I think if I've learned anything from the Afghan people, it's you've got to be resourceful.
Totally.
Do you know what I mean? Like they ski with nothing. They like,
Yeah.
They don't come up with excuses. They just do it, right? You know. Hello, I'm Gilbert Harrop and I'm from London, England. I have just finished the Afghan Ski Challenge, which was this amazing race in Bamiyan, Afghanistan, and I feel amazing. It's amazing to be here with so many wonderful people from all over Afghanistan and also my international friends.
امروز تعداد 68 نفر اشتراک کننده داشتیم از 5 کشور به شمول افغانستان که کشور میزبان بود و کلب‌های مختلف ولایت بامیان در مسابقه اشتراک کرده بود، در جمله نشاخوجه، کلب بامیان اسکی کلب و هندوکش و همچنین اللانظر که خوشبختانه قهرمانان ما از ولایت بامیان بود. مجتبی اول شد، حسین علی دوم شد، مهدی حسینی سوم شد که در مجموع ما از کشور فنلند، کشور ایتالیا، کشور انگلستان و آمریکا کسایی را داشتیم که در این مسابقه اشتراک کرده بودند.